Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to make a simple cart frame to hold some miscellaneous pieces of tubing. So the first thing we did is prep all of our parts. We cut all of the tubing and we also drilled some holes into the three-ways for casters so that we can roll the cart frame around. And we are also using two-ways and flush tees for this build. So all we did to drill a hole into these three-way parts is we just took a 7/16 drill bit and drilled a hole right into, there's a little bit of a slot inside the hollow end of the three-way, and we just drilled right through there to fit our sized casters. Also, if you're interested in trying out any of these parts for yourself, you can go to moxitec.com and shop there. You can buy these parts and more online, so go check it out. I will link the website in the description below. So now that we have everything prepped, let's start putting it together. So the first thing we have to do is mount these flush tees to the uprights of our frame to make a secondary shelf. And the reason we have to do this first is because they need to be screwed in before we put the frame together. You don't have, with the flush tees, you have to screw them in first. With the winged tees, they have a way for you to screw them in on the outside so you can put them in after, but that's why we have to do these first. So now that the flush tees are in, we can go ahead and pound the frame together. And all we're gonna use to do that is a rubber mallet. Thanks for watching, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. If you have any suggestions for future projects or future videos, just leave them in the comment section below. Thanks, guys. Bye.